Hello friends, so I'm gonna make a quick video. I just got a code P303 on a Hondas, generally on all the Hondas and Acuras. Uh, the code was a misfire code. So I just want to basically tell you it's a very easy repair. Okay, first you need to know which is your bank 1 and bank 2. Always bank 2 is going to be one towards the firewall. That's your firewall. That's your bank 1, right? This right here, that's your bank 2, close to the radiator. Okay, now cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's a very easy repair. Just take your cap off and just get a 10 mm socket, and you should take it off, take off your coil. And mine was cylinder number 3, code P303. That was this one right here, and it took me like 15 minutes. I had the spark plug on me. Spark plug was like Bosch was $15. It's a pretty good, pretty easy repair. And I was able to, I have a little scanning tool with me, which is always this. I got it from AutoZone, I believe, or Amazon, or from Amazon Actron, and it's pretty good if you know what you're doing. It's pretty if you know, like, basic stuff. All the cars from 2018 and below, the basic concept of any cars is the same. It's just like, okay, some companies will mount the engine on the left hand side, some companies will mount it on a different angle, but the basic concept on all these cars are the same. If you know what you're doing, just buy a little scanning tool. Mine costed like $100, and I've been working on the cars for the last 8 years, so I know basic of most of the cars. Anytime you have a code, the engine light is on, it's something to do with the engine. And anytime it is mechanical stuff, like your tie rod is broken, tie rod is bent, or your car is shaking, going 60 miles an hour, your car is shaking, the engine light will not come on in those cases. It would be probably your tie rod, your hub, ball joint. These all things that will make your car go shaking over 60 miles an hour. But most of the time, if your engine light is on, basically what's there in the engine, there's nothing big thing going on in the engine. It's just like the concept of the engine, how the engine work is. There's a spark plug and the timing belt, and it will rotate the whole system, and at a certain time the spark plug has to fire. That's what causes the engine to rotate. So basic concept of most of the cars the same. Keep your filter clean. Keep on changing your engine oil. Check your engine oil once a week, and the radiator fluid once a week. Check your brakes. Your cars, all these cars 2018 and below, these cars are good. You can repair all these cars by yourself. When the newer cars, they have the electronic system in, the gearbox, everything is they're all electronic. That makes things way more complicated. All right, hopefully this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.